Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lillian. If you're new here, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much and God bless you. Yeah, I know it's been a long time since I posted anything. I don't have any excuse, honestly. Um, Maybe I've been busy and I just wasn't serious, but now yeah, I'm back again with another video. So today being a Sunday, um, I've just been chilling at home and I decided like let me clean the fridge, and I dismantled like everything. I cleaned it one by one, and when I was cleaning I remembered, oh, maybe I should do a video. So I just show you what I've already done, and then we will clean the fridge together and put the things back together with you guys, okay? So here I cleaned up all this. Some are here. So right now I want to clean the fridge itself, and then we put back the things together with you guys. It is so dirty. Sorry. The fridge is dirty because I've not been using it. I had switched it off for some time, for a very long time. See? It is very dirty. I don't know how to show you. My camera can't turn. Okay. Here. Hope you can see. See how dirty it is. So we're gonna go ahead and clean it, and then oh, I forgot to remove this. Oh my god, I thought I had taken out everything. I forgot this. It's okay though. I'll just okay, I'll take it out, then clean it. Okay, see you when we are cleaning it together. So I now want to clean. I don't know if you can see me properly. Okay, let me find a good angle. I don't know how to put it, but first let's put the curtains up so that they don't disturb us with the water. They are so heavy. I already brought the water with the bowl, this one here, and I hope you can see me. Okay, that way. I think that is good. Sorry about the noise. Let me close the door. There's a lot of noise out here. Okay, I think that is better now. Okay, so I have this bowl here. It has water, and I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but this food is so dirty now. It is super dirty. Yaani nikimaliza kuiosha nafaa tu niache wazi ingie upepo before I even switch it on. I'll try to be fast because I don't want the video to be long because I'm not going to edit it. I hate editing videos. Actually, that is the thing that made me stop posting. I've done so many videos, but I don't edit them, and then I just end up not posting. So today I just want to do a direct video that doesn't need that doesn't need any editing. I hope mnanisikia. Yeah, I hope you can hear me well. Sikia toke vile zinalia yake. Ndio nataka kuwasha fridge. Hakuna kitu. I have remembered I should have carried something to something ya kukausha. I can see it is dirty. Can you see it? See? This is chafu. Hadi nasikia saa joto. Naanza kusweat. The pressure is getting worse. The pressure is getting worse. Yeah. I'll have to clean down here again. Okay, since I don't want the video to be long, I'll cut it here, then I'll show you when I'm finishing. So guys, I'm done with the top part, the upper part. As you can see, the fridge is clean. It is clean. See? Looking nice, right? Now it's time for this part, the dirtiest part. See? Let's do this. Let's make it as clean as here, right? Let's do this. Okay. That way. Perfect. Okay. I'm kinda tired, huh? I don't know why this thing can't go out. I don't know it cannot haiwezi toka, nimeamana kutoka imenishinda, so I'll just clean it these straps. Oh my god, hii nimechoka. Hadi nasikia njaa. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Just wow, this food is dirty, my friend. See, I'm tired. Super tired. I need to take some rest. I'll be back. I'm tired. I can't do it. Let me energize myself. I'm super tired. I don't like bananas, but I had to. I need energy. That is not a small work. Okay, let's take a rest. Kidogo. Gonna go back to work. So guys, finally, I cleaned it all. See? Let me rotate the camera and show you well. See the way it is shining? As if it is from the shop right now. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? See how clean it is? Good work, right? I've done some good job here. I also cleaned down there. There was a lot of water. So now let's put back these things. I've brought them here kwa kiti. We put them back. Na zingine ziko hapo juu. So we're gonna arrange them the way they're supposed to be. Yeah, and then switch on the fridge. Yeah, let's do this. Let it stay there. So I'm gonna start with the top part. I'm not really sure how these things are supposed to be. I think this is I can't even remember how they were. Did I get this from here? Oh my god. I don't think it is from here. I think this is way too big to be here. It can fit down there. Let me start with the ones that I know where they belong first, then the rest you can figure out later. Now here there is a big one and a small one. Whichever fits first. I'm gonna go with that. I've given myself such a big work, but it was worth it. Did I mix these things up? They're not fitting anywhere. Like, oh my god. Is it supposed to go this way? Oh my god. I can't fit any of them. They're supposed to be this way, right? Yeah. This one looks small. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Now after clearing the fridge, I can't even get it back to how it was. Okay, let me figure it out first. Put it inside out or it is okay. Okay, that will fit and this will fit. Let's go with those that fit first. Can you see this? That will fit in. Don't wanna break anything. Okay, those fitted. Let me just start with the easy ones first, huh? The ones that I am sure of where they belong. I can do them first. Easy slide. Easy slide is not easy at all. There's one plastic missing. last one, the one that I had forgotten about. I mean, not the last one, but the one that is supposed to be at the top. How was it? Ah, shit. Finally. Okay. So, hizi za huku ndo zinanisumbua. Hizi za huku juu na hii ya huku. But I must figure it out because siwezi nikaziacha hivyo. So I think this one belongs here. I really don't want to break anything. I don't want to force things and then they end up breaking. I want to be gentle. It should go in just smoothly. I know, right? There. It fitted. This one fitted. How many remaining? I still have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. I think there's another one down here. And here. Is this one here? Yes. I'm getting it. Or which one is supposed to be down here? I think this is supposed to be here. Because this one is too big. I don't think the door will close if I put it down here. Let's see. Yeah. This one doesn't belong here. Oh, you're not seeing me. Sorry. Oh my god. Okay. There. So I was saying, this one is too big. I think it belongs here. That's why this one got in here so smoothly, because it does not belong here, it is small. So this one is supposed to be here. Okay. And this one. There. I got it. I'm done with this part. Now, these two. These two. Oh, I don't know which one belongs where. I don't know what this is. Why are they so stubborn? Can someone come and help me? How are they supposed to be? Akina nimezitoa tu mwenyewe na sikumbuki vile zilikuwa. And these were the first ones. I took them off. Like, za kwanza. How come they don't fit? I feel like I can just put them upside down and do it. I'm tired. I'll figure this out later. Maybe I should get someone to help me. I don't know. But at least I've done a good job. Yay! It looks nice, huh? I am done. Done. And that is my clean fridge. Yeah. Done. I'll figure that out later. We've come to the end of the video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Tell me what else I should do next. Like, comment, and share. Thank you. Bye bye. I finally did it. I fixed them. Oh, this one is not fixed well. Why? I think I should press it in. I can't do it with one hand. But I just need to push it inside and it will be okay. And this one is okay. Yeah.